Alright, so I don't really know if this thing works correctly. I haven't had time to mess with it. I'm just sort of getting into the room straightened out, so it's a signal generator. I don't know anything about it. 606A. I have another one with no cord. This one has lots of tubes in it. And well, I don't know if it actually works. It almost looks like a 6146 in there. But I've powered it on a couple of times, and it doesn't really want to turn when you use that. But if you use this, it moves. So I'm not sure. And then there's this. Is this supposed to be able to click? I'm not sure. Like, how do you go to the different range? Oh, you know, I have a feeling it probably just keeps going down. So what I need to do is get my frequency counter out, or the oscilloscope. So once it goes down to there, what does it do? It stops. Okay. All right. So I don't know what that means. And it just ends there, so I don't know how you would make it go down. Is that pointer supposed to be there? I don't know how this thing works. So, because how would you change these frequencies? You have an attenuator and a modulation select, and then frequency. But I think this is supposed to move. I'm not sure. I'd have to check the other one. Okay. So I thought I was recording, but anyway, I wasn't. So this is the other one. It's a 606B. It's a little bit different. It's the AM modulation input, frequency control input, frequency analog output, RF output, crucial calculator. What I noticed about this one, the way it really moves. Okay, and then this moves. One more. Oh, and then it just keeps going, huh? That's cool. What a very interesting thing. So if we wanted to be on, let's say we wanted to be on 80. And I think these guys use these to drive like a transmitter. So we have 530 kilohertz to 1800. So actually this would be 160 right here. Oh, you don't even have enough to hit 160. So you have to go up one more. And then you could hit 80. There's 4 because you could be right here. And yeah, so you get, I don't know if a guy would use this to modulate a transmitter or not, but I think you can, because it's got plus 20 volts, and it has an AM modulation input, and so this would be like a broadcast transmitter. You could drive it, the grid or whatever. I don't know, drive the grid, drive the cathode. I don't know how they do it, but anyway, not my area of expertise. But this is a different one. I don't have the cord for it, so I don't know if it works. It was free. Let's go over here and check this other one now. So I have a feeling This one's starting to spin better too. I think it's just stuck. So I'm not going to try and force it. Yeah, it's stuck. So anyway, probably why it was donated or something. But yeah, geez, I don't know if I want to get into all this crap. Next thing you know, I'll be buying Collins radios and boat anchor crap and doing weird stuff. That's really all I have left with ham radio. I mean, like I started out over 10 years ago. I'm 48 years old. I was into radios when I was a kid, and I had CB radios, and I read amateur radio books back then, and read all the handbooks, but I lost interest, when I got older, and then got back into it like 10, 12 years ago or something like that. So I've not really been doing this for that long, but I was probably, as a kid, I was on CB radio for maybe less than a year. Maybe 2 years, I don't know, but I don't think any more than that. And then, fast forward many, many years, I think I bought a CB radio for a Jeep I had because other people that I had who would go four-wheeling with had them. And put it in there. Heard a couple people, talked to one person maybe, I think. And that was it. Didn't ever use it again. Sold it. Got rid of it. Because it wasn't like I remembered when I was a kid. So anyway, so I don't really have that much time on the air. Really at all, period. I mean, there's tons of other people that have way more experience and time, but the difference I think between me and other people is I'm willing to dive in and just tear stuff apart. So anyway, we'll try and get to this tomorrow, so we'll catch you guys later.